Over the years, I've been looking for ways to grow my hair as I'm dealing with hair loss as so many other men. And interesting enough, recently Sean with Growband Pro reached out to me and said, "Hey Sid, we want to send you this product for hair growth. You want to try it out?" And as I started reading about it, I'm like, this is kind of interesting and very different. It uses air pressure to massage your scalp to ultimately help with hair growth. And this is what I have on right now and doing a session as I am doing this video, which is very, very cool. So I look forward to sharing with you more about it. It uses it with this little box, which you can control all your settings with. And just 10 minutes a day is all you need to do. It massages the scalp so it feels good, and you're gonna help grow your hair. And everybody's gonna have different results. They've had a lot of great reviews, and there's a lot of studies and cases that they have as well that you can read more about it. But it's really interesting, just again, by air pressure and massaging the scalp to grow the hair out. Now you get this case with it, by the way, and it does also come with the Type-C cable. It seems like the charge on this lasts quite a long time, which is great, but you got a small cable. I have so many Type-C cables that I use. And then this is the booklet. Now it does mention on here, by the way, it says, "The Growband Pro is a simple and convenient way to tackle the root cause of hair loss, lack of blood flow. By repeating, inflating, and deflating, the Growband Pro massages the scalp, reducing tension in the surrounding muscles and allowing blood flow to flow freely to the hair follicles. For optimal results, use a Growband Pro for 10 or more minutes each day." So there you go. Now, let me go ahead and stop this a second and let it just stop. Here we go. All right, now I'm gonna take it off. So you can see it's just plastic, and it's got air pressure that helps build up, and ultimately it goes up and down ever so slowly as it's massaging your scalp. You got a knob back here for the tension, so you can adjust that. So depending how tight or how loose you want it there. And there you go. And then it's got some comfortable padding right here as well. And again, it seems so simple yet so effective. So you just put this on like this, and then once you get the tension, it's usually easy to slip on and off. And so here we go. We've got your on and off switch. By the way, it does have a belt clip, so you could walk around with it. You're not limited to just sitting at a place. So you got your start, stop. You've got here for adjusting the tension. I'll show you that in a minute, to save it. And then you got your plus and minus. So as I turn it on, you can see here, it's got 4 steps that it goes through. It goes inflate, hold, deflate, and the last one is wait. So those are seconds. So it's 4,000 or 4 seconds that it inflates. The hold, I have it set for 3,000. The deflate is set for 3 seconds, and wait is for a second. Now, if I want to change it, all I need to do here, this top one, you can see now it's flashing, and then you can adjust that to what you want. Then when you're done with that, you can hit the button. It goes to the next section, the next one, and the next one. You could do the same thing, and then you just press the save button, and that's it. And then you just press it, and then you're good to go. Now you could see, actually I have to readjust it. There we go. I think it's on there better now. But again, it is just massaging my scalp. It's going ever so up slightly and down, and it gives you that massage, bringing the blood flow to your head. So if you're interested in checking it out, you can save $100. $497 is the regular price, but you can save $100 through my referral link. You could see there's a ton of reviews. You get more information all about it and see if it works for you. Let me know if you have any questions. If you used it, please feel free to leave any comments there below, and I look forward to sharing how my experience is going over time. And I hope this video is of help to you and it helps you. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.